How to get card packs in Clash of Critter. So in Clash of Critters, you can get these card packs through the card album feature, of course. When you collect duplicate cards, they will turn into stars, and you can spend those stars in the star shop to buy card packs. You should be able to get more cards faster as well by joining album events, trading, or gifting cards with friends, or whichever you have as an option, and completing sets before the event ends. Just make sure that you use your stars before a card event resets, since some events may not carry those stars over. So again, watch for limited album events since card sets and stars are not going to carry over to the next event. So for example, one patch note said cards and stars from the best buddies would not carry over into the new journey. So spend or use them before the event ends. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.